What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of Real Rap.
It's your girl, Char.
It's your boy, Steve.
And today we got something real spicy for y'all, okay?
So today, I'm going to be taking Miss Clumsy over here to the range. Teaching her how to shoot, teaching her how to handle a gun. You know, it's a lot of wild stuff going on out here, so I'm trying to get her right so she can be safe and secure out here when I'm not around. But pray for me. You know, she Miss Clumsy, so
nothing's gonna happen.
Just in case I don't make it, man. I love my family, everybody.
I'm not even that clumsy.
We're gonna get back to y'all when we get to the range. So we here at the range.
Oh, sorry.
Palmetto State. So we at Palmetto State Armory. They got everything. All the ARs. Got AK-47s. Golden Tommy gun. That's a Desert Eagle right there, golden. Old school. How the hell do you shoot that? I don't know. All types of pistols.
Alright, y'all, he gotta do his thing. Oh, okay. Never mind. I was talking about. How do you do it?
Oh my God, save me. Someone save me.
I can't put it in there.
Just push down. On the other side. Push down on the other side. Oh my God. She can't even get the bullet in there. Keep shooting.
Alright guys, I have y'all here on lane 8. The way this works, you just hit this blue select button, distance, then enter go. To bring it back to you, just hit select, zero, enter
Not
go.
anything?
All we ask
No.
is you have to take the firearm.
Really?
Probably hit the back
I'll do
wall.
that inside this booth.
Oh,
Bing. Man, I gotta get them joints in the middle.
oh, alright. Don't
Lies. Hers are hers.
We're gonna get a different one. You try to play it. Yeah, bring that charger.
All right, round
Take
two. Let's see what she actually hits.
Look, I got two in there this time.
She's doing better already. I was talking all that trash. Look what she did. They got us a little soldier out here. Okay, okay.
I was doing it this way the whole time.
Round 3. She 15 yards.
The wood handle one is a little intimidating.
Let's see what she can do. Okay. Headshot. And she stayed in the middle too. Certified killer. She did better than I thought. I didn't think I was gonna make it out of there alive. But she's a real shooter now. Certified. Back. Good day at the range.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm alive. That's all that matters. I made it out there alive. Because, boy, I tell you, I was scared when I put that gun in her hand. But surprisingly, she did good.
I did great.
Alright. But, we about to get some good eats at the Wild Wing Cafe.
I've never been here before.
My first time being here, but they got good reviews. And it's in a rich part of town, so guess what?
You know what that means.
It better be good. Wild Wing.
Come on.
Got that buffalo shrimp.
Fries.
She probably gonna take all the food.
No, I'm not. She talking about me.
It was fire. I couldn't help myself.
All of it. More than me. Look at all the napkins. That's the garlic one.
Update, these wings are amazing. She didn't already have about 10.
I have 5.
5 different flavors. Got the game on.
For all y'all out there, go ahead and follow us.